If you want to truly understand any topic, making notes is one of the best ways to learn, but honestly, who has the time these days? First you read, then you write, then you organize everything. It's a long process, but now you can do all of this in just minutes. Let me show you how. If you create PPT, explain topics on YouTube, or need visual notes for students, this video is going to be extremely useful for you. Now you can convert any topic into handwritten study notes. For this, we'll go to Gemini and select Create Image. Then you simply enter this prompt. Create a handwritten study note about the topic. Use a student-style handwriting font on lined paper. Use a yellow neon marker to highlight important terms and underline key points. Once you enter this, Gemini will convert your topic into a beautiful handwritten format that you can use for both learning and teaching. Look at how amazing these notes are. Here the topic is tides. What are tides? Types of tides, how high tide is formed, how low tide occurs, effect of the moon with proper diagrams and clear explanations. Gemini has created complete handwritten notes for us. You can easily download this image from here. Now let's change the topic. We'll enter lunar eclipse and Gemini will instantly generate handwritten notes related to that topic as well. In the same way, you can slightly modify this prompt and generate different outputs every time. One important thing to remember here is this. Simply copy-pasting a prompt does not always guarantee perfect results. The output can vary from the topic to topic. For example, when we used the topic grassroots democracy and governance, Gemini did create handwritten notes along with images and doodles, but the content is still incomplete. Many important details are missing. So even though this process looks very easy, using AI effectively requires understanding the technical side as well. Just copy-paste won't work every time. That's why in my course, I've covered all these topics in much more detail, how to structure prompts properly and how to give clear instructions to any AI model so that you get your desired results. If you're interested in learning how to integrate AI into content creation or online teaching, you can consider enrolling in the course. You'll find all the details in the video description, and I'll also keep posting updates in the community tab. So stay tuned. If you learned something useful from this video, don't forget to like it. And for more such practical tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video.